Why are you dismissing again using the excuse that I didn't meet probation performance standards?
That is correct. Your probationary contract clearly states that if performance targets aren't met, you are considered unqualified. This is your termination notice.
You can't get away with this. You'll have to pay me double severance.
What do you mean double severance? Look carefully at the contract you signed. You didn't meet the performance requirements during the 6-month probation, so I have grounds to dismiss you.
That's not how it works. Normally, the contract term is 3 years, with a 6-month probation inside the contract. But since we only agreed on a probation contract, under the law, the probation agreement is invalid. These 6 months should count as part of a formal labor contract.
I don't care whether you call it formal or probation. You signed the contract yourself, and now you want to deny it. The labor law also says if you fail probation conditions, we can terminate without paying compensation. This dismissal is legal and reasonable.
Since the probation agreement itself is invalid, you can't use failure to pass probation as a reason to dismiss me. That makes your dismissal unlawful. I've worked here for less than 6 months, so at the very least, you owe me 1 month's salary in compensation. Give me the termination letter right now, and I'll file for labor arbitration tomorrow.
All right. Maybe I should have just waited until the probation ended and not signed a formal contract with you. That way, the company could have saved compensation.
Even if you don't terminate me now, once the contract expires and you don't renew it, you would still have to pay me severance pay. Because if only a probation period is agreed, it is deemed a formal contract. That means the company cannot dismiss me based on the grounds of failing probation. And if you don't renew when it expires, you still owe me compensation.
Wow. How do you know the law so well? Who have you been learning from?
I learned this from Edgar the lawyer.